Hey everyone, I'm Anu. I'm a software engineer at Google, and this day is special because it marks exactly 1 year since I joined Google. I entered this building full of anxiety and excitement, and today I want to celebrate it by bringing you along with me to a day in my life at Google. So, my day typically starts with a quick breakfast at the cafe and grabbing some coffee. One of the things I absolutely love about working at Google is how much they celebrate people. And there are different ERGs called employee resource groups. So it's kind of like college societies, and every month they celebrate something. So June month was Pride month, and there were cupcakes to celebrate that. So 1 year ago, I was just a software engineer, but now I'm a software engineer and a content creator, and my main priority is growth. So initially, it was very tough for me to manage my work life and my content creation, but that's when I came across this amazing tool called Monday.com. Honestly, it's been a game changer in my entire journey. It helps me stay organized, keep track of my task, my content creation. I know exactly what I have to do by when and what is all is pending. It has honestly helped me stay so organized and focused. Even if you want to create a DSA sheet, you can use the AI generator which will create that sheet for you. But the best tool, in my opinion, is the reporting dashboard, which shows exactly where I am, and it's great for visualization as well. You want to take productivity to the next level and keep your projects organized? Monday.com is the way to go. And you can try it for free by using the link in the description and in the pinned comment below. Now, after catching up on some tasks and reviewing my schedule, I thought that today is my Googleversary, right? So I should work. Instead, let's do an office tour. So come with me, I'm going to take you to an office tour because even though it's been a year since I've been at Google, I honestly haven't explored much. So I explored this first floor. Everything is so detailed, and you have some nice, comfortable seating all around the workplace. And I really like this new Google themed particular picture, and if you look into it, there's a lot of details. I would say screenshot it and look at this cool art piece. I haven't seen that before. And there are puzzles across the floor where you can just come with your team, play a little bit. So today I'm alone, but I'm with you. So let's try to solve a puzzle. And if I'm able to do it, yeah, I'm able to do it. Okay, fine, that's all. So let's go ahead and check out the fit yoga Zumba room. And there is spa, there's gym. So there were some people in the gym, and I wanted to respect their privacy and didn't want to disturb them. But this is the yoga Zumba room. Naturally, after working out so much, you'll be sweaty and you'll want to freshen up. And that's where you have these dressing rooms, restrooms, you have a sauna room as well. And along with that, you also have a nice bathroom, hair dryer as well. So all my girls out there, you are sorted. You don't need to worry about anything when you are in Google Office. A bit hungry, so let's grab some snacks from the micro kitchen. Now it was time for a quick one-on-one with my manager, which I have bi-weekly. So I had to find a meeting room for that and go ahead and attend it. Let's grab lunch. Now let's get back to our office tour. found this cool board where people had written their favorite anime shows, what books you should read, what shows you should watch. I would say screenshot it and revisit it later. I tried to enter the games room, but it was full with people playing, so I thought let's go to some other place. I found this cool corner where there's books. The best part about this place was the swing, which I definitely sat on. I then had to go ahead and complete some of my tasks for the day. Was totally exhausted after all the walking around the office and attending the meetings, so I went to the micro kitchen, grabbed some snacks. Now it's finally time to call it a day with some tea and taking a sandwich for my home, which I'll probably have an evening. And lastly, to everyone who's ever watched my videos, left a comment, or just believed in me, thank you. I used to watch these day in my life at Google videos when I was just dreaming about working here, and today I get to make one. If you're working toward your own dream, please don't stop. Whether it's big tech, a startup, your own business, your time will come.